2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.